Hello, my name is Bongilekwala and I've been buying cryptocurrency for years now, and I decided to open up this channel because a lot of people have requested me to provide tutorials about where to buy crypto, what it is, how to store it, and I would like to basically educate everybody about crypto and how you can benefit and profit from it. I hope you find this channel educational, and if you have additional information that you want to share with us, please don't be shy. You can contact me on my email address. I have all the information down below. So thank you very much. I hope that you're gonna be here with me. Subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you.